Okay, so you're gonna put your thumb right here, and with your fingertips, you're just gonna squeeze, okay? Can reposition, thumb, and then all that's moving is this part. Okay, so to tighten it, right, you're gonna flip the tool around. Okay, it's loose. I'm just gonna go ahead and get it snug. All right, and the same thing, thumb, and then you're just gonna go ahead and squeeze. And I mean, that's as tight as it should be. If you want, you can go ahead and do it a couple times. You can even, I'm doing it with my hand underneath, but I'm just gonna squeeze it. I mean, I'm gonna squeeze the shit out of it. Okay, I'm just continually squeezing the shit out of this filter, okay? Watch, I'm gonna flip it back around to loosen it, okay? Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, and it's tight. 3, 4, 5.